Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Trader Joe's gluten-free pumpkin bread. You will need the pumpkin bread and muffin baking mix, oil, water, and eggs. To start, you will combine the baking mix, oil, water, and eggs and stir until combined. I chose to make it into a loaf of bread, but you could also make it into muffins. I started by spraying a loaf pan with cooking spray. I then added the mixture to the pan and cooked as instructed on the box.